So at the Sandals Foundation, we do a lot of community work. So wherever there is a Sandals resort, the foundation works within the communities to help communities, to empower them to bring solutions to challenges that they may have. And this could be, we invest a lot in education, we invest in community development, and we invest in environmental conservation. And a key program under environmental conservation is education. So for us, the Future Goals program represents informing our young people about the natural environment in which they live, the biodiversity, the ecosystems, the fragility of those ecosystems, but also empowering them to understand that they can make a difference, and when they recycle, they prevent waste from entering the ocean, and that in turn helps protect the biodiversity within the marine space. This year's end-of-year activity, which is beautifully culminating on World Oceans Day, is all about celebrating blue. Celebrating blue, the blues of our oceans here surrounding Curacao, the blues of the national team taking their sojourns to the biggest stage in the world. And it's about celebrating our pride in this moment, and our pride in the natural space of Curacao, our pride in our Caribbean Sea, and our commitment to protect that Caribbean Sea and the blues of Curacao.
Nou ja, Ajax is een naam die over de hele wereld bekend is, met name natuurlijk om zijn jeugdopleiding. En we denken dan ook echt dat de jeugd de toekomst heeft. Vandaar dat we al 4 jaar lang samen met Sandals dit programma hebben, Future Goals. En Future Goals is echt groot. We maken kinderen bewust van hun eigen omgeving. Zo laten we ze plastic inzamelen. Van die plastic maken we weer goaltjes. Ja, en die goaltjes maken voetballen en sporten weer mogelijk. Dus uiteindelijk komen ze in een hele positieve visuele cirkel, waarin ze zelf verantwoordelijk worden om aan sporten toe te komen. Ja, en dat draagt natuurlijk weer bij aan een gezonde leefstijl.
So a role of Limpi in the Future Goals project is that we create the soccer goals, we create the boxes with all the soccer equipment in it. We make the products from the plastic waste here on the island, and we provide the materials for projects like the ones here in Cura Holanda. So we manage the plastic waste within the project.